In this video, I'll show you the best Instagram Reels editing apps. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, without further ado, let's get right into it. First on our list would be InShot. The platform it serves are Android and iOS. InShot is a versatile video editing app that allows users to trim, cut, and add various effects to their videos. It's user-friendly, and it offers features like music syncing, text overlays, and filters. So for more information, just go here at InShot.com. So I've been using InShot for quite some time, and it's user-friendly. It's really easy to use. Now, next on on the list would be a CapCut. So it serves both Android and iOS. So it's developed before by ByteDance. It's the company behind TikTok. Also, CapCut is formerly known as Via Maker. It's a powerful video editing app. It offers a range of features such as multi-layer editing, transitions, and a variety of effects. It's free and it doesn't add watermarks to your videos. And next, we go to one of my favorite editing app. It's called Adobe Premiere Rush. So it serves and it's compatible in Android and iOS. So Adobe Premiere Rush is a mobile-friendly version of Adobe's professional video editing software. It provides a user-friendly interface with features like multi-track editing, transitions, and color correction. So for more information, just go here at adobe.com. Check Premiere Rush, and it's one of the best out there, right? Next is KineMaster. It's a popular video editing app with a range of features, including multiple layers for video and audio, blending modes, and various effects. It's suitable for both beginners and more advanced users. So just go here at their website for more information. You can download it on your App Store or on Google Play. Next on our list will be a Filmora or Filmmaker Pro. It's an advanced video editing app for iOS that provides features like keyframing, green screen support, and advanced audio editing. It's well suited for users looking for more control over their editing process, right? But it's not user friendly, but still, if you want to try it, you can. And next on our list would be Quick app by GoPro. Right? It's a user-friendly app developed by GoPro, and it's known for its simplicity and speed in creating visually appealing videos. It automatically analyzes your footage and can apply transitions, effects, and music. All right? Remember, guys, that the effectiveness of an editing app depends on your specific needs and preferences. And new apps may also emerge, so it's a good idea to check the app stores for the latest options and reviews. Always ensure that the app you choose is compatible with your device and has the features you require for your Instagram Reels. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.